Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY for a kid's room. And let me go ahead, you can also use it for a craft room or anything like that, but I picked up one of these 11 by 14 frames and then two of these stickers. They're peel and stick stickers, and I think I just saw on here that they are repositionable as well, so you can change this out. So it would be real fun to do, like if you have a guest room or something like that, you could like write welcome and then actually put the person's name, or you could put like the Wi-Fi password and then have it down at the bottom. But let me go ahead and show you. Like I said, quick and easy. I'm going to move this down so you can see. I don't know if that's, let me scoot this back a little bit. As you can tell, I'm not in my regular craft room. I'm still traveling, and I will be leaving on a flight in just a few hours. So I thought I'd sneak in a DIY for you guys. So let's go ahead, and we're going to just take these backings and pop them open. Now, there's so many different ways, you guys, so many thoughts. You could use this white paper or get your own white paper, because you will be able to see through here a little bit, and do it backwards if you wanted to. You can put the lettering on here and just put it like a frame. You can have like a nice cut piece of paper, like maybe some designer series paper or something like that, and have that in here as well, and then put the stickers. But what we're gonna do is I am still going to keep these little guys in here. Now that's just because I'm on my own. If I were at home, I would use my glue gun and some E6000, take these little guys out and then hot glue it in there. But for right now, we're just going to use these guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna line it up, and because I wanna use it as a guide so that it's nice and straight. So I'm gonna do this for my nephew. I was gonna do it for my grandsons and put like Trent and Wyatt's room, but I'm gonna do it for my nephew since his brother and him share rooms, and his brother has one that says Jonathan's room. So this one I'm gonna put James's room. So we're just gonna take the letters off of here. And since I have it all lined up, and I know that, well, actually, I'm gonna take the M first. So, because you want it to be as centered as possible, at least I do. You can do it however you'd like. But I'm gonna put the M here, seeing that that is actually the middle of his name. And then just put these down nice and flat. Work out any air bubbles that you might have in there. And then I think if this all works out, there's not going to be any colors that are identical. So I'm just going to space this out just a little bit. And again, using this black line here as a guide. And I'm just going to put them down like that. And the same here. Super cute. Look how easy it's coming out already, and I think he will appreciate having his own sign for his room, seeing that his brother has one. And these letters, they're super cute. They're kind of wonky, so you don't have to worry about being perfect. I hope you can see that. I couldn't do it backwards because I would just really be goofy there. But you'll see here, now it says James, and when it hangs up against the wall, it's gonna match just perfectly. So we've got James. And then I'm gonna move this up just a little bit so that black line again will help me there. And I'm just just looking to see if there's any kind of little comma, which there's not, but we're okay. We could make one by cutting this here if we wanted to, or same with this red, which I may do. So now I'm going to put in the room. We've got an O. Oh, our two O's are going to be matching, but that's okay. Again, we're going to line that little guy up. And it's only 4 for room, and his name has 5, so I'm going to line those 2 up right here. But it is a really cute, and this one I'm going to do a little bit bigger, the spacing. And another M. But you can do so much, and these are actually for posters, but I think with this large 11 by 14 is going to be a good size there. And James is 8, so I think this will be super cute for him. And then, look how cute that is. And then we'll just hang that on the wall there. We can put some twine through here if we want to give it a little hook like that, or you can use some of the, what's it called? I can't think of the name. Those little command strips. Just cut them smaller, put them on here, 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 and here, and that will hold that up rather easily. So you can have whatever you want on here, but I think this is super cute, super easy, and how cute of a little gift would that be for somebody? And then you could also put like other things. It could say stay out, whatever you want to have in here. But I think it's super cute. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so we can give you some more DIYs. I've created a schedule because I know a lot of you guys have been talking about wanting to see more stamping and more DIYs. Some people want to see the chocolate tour. And so I'm just going to create a schedule, and we're going to try and get all of your wants and needs in here. So, all right, beauties, I hope you like this. Please, again, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, I'd love to have you as a beauty. All right, take care. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, that's not turning off. See, we are in somebody else's space. There we go. Bye.